In a hard-hitting statement on Tuesday, staunch ZANU-PF sympathizer Rutendo Benson Matinyarare criticized President Emmerson Mnangagwa's record on infrastructure, highlighting what he described as the regime's insincerity in addressing the country's crumbling roads. Sadabina Mashukubda Pangona Chinzi, die-hard ZANU-PF sympathizer Rutendo Benson Matinyarare exposes Mnangagwa's regime insincerity that was subscribed while I got on the bell icon. TV Namzimba in quotes, how would you rate the president on roads? Matinyarare asked, sparking debate among social media users and political commentators. Yesterday, I was threatened for having insulted the president by saying that his performance in office has been mediocre for us to grant him a term extension. But how would you rate the president if, under Robert Mugabe, in his first 20 years in office, he built 9,000 kilometers of new paved roads from the 10,000 kilometers left by Ian Smith? Currently, President Mnangagwa has, in the last 9 years, paved and rebuilt 80% of the existing 584 kilometers of the Harare Bridge Road, and it is still not finished. He has also been refurbishing and extending 45 kilometers of the Mazoe Road. I would say that the 45 kilometers are entirely new. He has also built about 90 kilometers of road in and around Mount Hamlet, and he has been refurbishing about 300 kilometers in cities and Victoria Falls roads. This means that in 9 years, the president has refurbished and built about 1.2 kilometers, 6.3% of roads out of the 19,000 kilometers of paved roads in Zimbabwe, which are in desperate disrepair. Matinyarare concluded by promising to evaluate other critical sectors in the coming days, including healthcare, water, sanitation, and electricity, to provide a broader assessment of the administration's performance. Tomorrow, we will look at healthcare, water, sanitation, electricity, and other indicators, he said, signaling that this critique is part of a wider review of the government's record. Toma developments nemashwana muda tokopana pana Matinyarare pina kumesiksha medu za kungura email to deep amsel bichit koich. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.